Bueno, mi gente, aquí voy a tirar un videito de los animales volando, porque el día está feo, tremenda ventolera, está lloviendo. So, nada más no. Soltar los pichones. Para que los vean. Desarrollarse. Esta semana había mucho agua y no había mucho palomeo. Los que se sientan ahí en los cables están ahí. Vamos a ver si con los animales en el aire se aparece algo. No me cogieron. Por ahí arriba están perdidos. ¿Sí? Atrás la mata de coco, por allá están circulando. Vieron por arriba la mata de coco. Parece que el palomo para allá lejos, porque están metidos para allá atrás. Para allá atrás están metidos entre las dos matas de coco. No sé si se ven. Estos bichitos los saqué y están volando bastante. Ay. Eso que tienen cruce, mira los de arriba están. Altísimos. Antes de echarle comida, soltarlo un poco para que se estiren. Que se ha pasado el día entero lloviendo. Mira ahí va. It's a little ugly, but sorry for the camera to zoom. These guys are probably born at the end of, I want to say February, or middle of February, more or less at the same time. Dark ones are the Ladino crosses with Cuban, and the white one is also just a Cuban. I was thinking of zooming in there. Wait. And you notice they started flying on the west side of the property. Now they're turning to the other corner, and bam, we got some action over there. We got a male that somebody has feeding over there. Eso hay un machito suelto por ahí que salió a volar ahora que lo vio pasar a ellos volando por arriba. Y los pichoncitos estos por ahora me tienen bien satisfecho. Vamos a ver si no cogen manías malas. Hasta ahora no se han tirado por ahí. Y cada vez que los suelto, salen a disfrutar de verdad el aire. Y see that male over there just marking his roof behind my mango tree over there, on top of the other tree in the background. And they're flying over there. So far, these birds haven't done anything to disappoint. See the bird in front of them. It's got the three together in the back. So I'm happy about this breeding because I got the parents there. So if they come out good, well, at least for the Ladino ones I have the parents there. For the white one I don't. So I'm actually kind of risking releasing it, even though I have the mother, which is a half sister to it also, because it's a line breeding. But yeah, I think I might let one of these Laudinos go. If anybody's interested, you can see what they do. Like I said, I have the parents for that pair there. I actually have from the father, I have another baby coming in way, which I'm gonna give to a friend of mine. And again, I have both parents there. So if anybody's interested in the darker of the two, the male, that's somebody else's bird. And those are mine right there. Wait. If anybody's interested in the darker one, I believe that's the male. Hit me up on the DM. Or through my Instagram, Squab Mobb with 2 B's, underscore in between the 2 words. Go ahead and let me know if you guys are interested in something that flies. And actually the birds are about to feather now. They're, I want to say the 3rd or 4th month flights. You see that? I think that's the male right there. You see how he broke off by himself? That's the one that I'm thinking about selling. If you guys are interested, I don't make this video too long, even though, you know, they're just flying. You can see there now that there's another bird involved. The male kind of like took off on his own, leading the way. Look at him flying back there. There, they're coming over the tree. I don't know if you guys can see them there. Okay. So hit me up. Look at, yeah, he's definitely a male. You can see it in the front, how he kind of like extends his crop. He's slowing down for the other ones to catch up, and then bam, he starts turning them. And I was hoping the white one's a male, but I don't know. Too cute to be a female. And the way it flies, you know, he's more aerodynamic than them, obviously. But I have a feeling that it's a female also, man. So yeah, basically everything I got going on. I got some eggs on the way. Actually, I repeated 2 breedings with my Genienses and with the Granadino, with the Rafeño Cuban mix hen. And both of them, I just got off talking to a friend, and both of them actually laid their first egg of their 2nd setting, because I got the first set of eggs on surrogates. So I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna wrap it up. As you can see, the rains have started here. Yeah, ya empezó la lluvia. Look over there on top of the pine trees, if you can see them. That's where they're at. Oh no, actually I'm lying. That's somebody else's bird. They're coming around this one. They fly that way, but they had already turned around. So yeah, it's already the rainy season. Ya empezaron la lluvia ya creo que va a cerrar la fábrica. Lo que tenía ahí de los ginienses ya pusieron la segunda puesta, y los alrededores están en la primera, y los 2 huevos están fertilizados. So, ya creo para este año se hace. También tengo que sacar unos cajones que tengo ahí para estos pichones, para ponerlos a robar solo. O sea, que está interesado en el machito, que me avise, que es el más oscuro, que viene adelante ahí, siempre coge adelante, no le gusta la cola. Tírame un privado, y si no, bueno, se deja ahí a ver lo que da de adulto. Por ahora vuela lo más bien, jala para su casa cada vez que se acerca un palomo. No le puedo pedir más nada. Bueno, mi gente, estamos llegando allá a 10 minutos. I'm getting to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna shut it down. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. If any of you guys are interested in that the darker male, hit me up. I got both parents and I got 4 sets of eggs on their way, so I'm gonna need the space. Hit me up.